So guys, I'm gonna try to remove the old carpet, and I'm planning to replace the whole living room with the hardwood floor. So before I started, I already made a big cut with my utility knife, and I sliced this piece of the carpet so I can fold it back, and it's gonna be much easier for me to roll the whole thing up and take it to the trash. So as you can see, the carpet goes like this, and it's very easy. Pull it up. I'll do from both sides, and it should be pretty easy. As you guys can see, I'm continuing to make long stripes with my utility knife, and I'm gonna roll everything back so I can easily remove the whole carpet and replace it with a new one. First of all, you need to take out those small boards. Just grab a small screwdriver, and it's pretty easy to take the whole thing out. This is how it looks like after you take out all the carpet. So guys, after a very long day breaking tiles, I'm done. I use this machine. Don't even try breaking tiles without a machine. It's been a very long day. But we did a very good job, and tomorrow we are ready to put some laminate in the kitchen and the hallway.